Hey, what's up, guys? This is Red Dust Tech. So basically, oh yeah, hey, by the way, long time no see. So basically, today we're going to do a power loss detection app. What it is basically an app which, when you turn off, when electricity goes out, it kind of makes an alert. Basically, like this.
What's up? Looking for paper towels.
Power loss detected. Activating emergency protocols.
Alright, so let's get started. So first what I did was make the tablet distinguish between when power is on and power is off. If power is on, it says device charging, and if power is off, it's just device not charging. Then comes the flashlight part. So basically what I did was a simple flashlight, right? Fuck no! You know how fucking painful this was? It kept crashing every fucking 2 seconds for no. So basically, to turn on the flashlight, you need to access the camera API. Now the problem is that every Android version has a different API. And since my tablet is old, not every API is compatible, meaning it will crash. What the fuck? Great. Yeah, so this is why I did this, how I fixed it in a way after it crashed multiple fucking times. Yeah. Alright, so that's working. Now, what I need is to make this fucking tablet speak. Alright, so guess how I did it, and 3, 2, 1. I wish coding was that fucking easy in real life. That's it for the video, basically. It works. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you on the next one. Peace.